The Osmo Creative Set is the best way to play Newton, Monster, and Masterpiece. The creative board has been designed for these apps in Osmo's computer vision technology. The Creative Set comes in a big, fun box which includes the creative board, 6 erasable washable markers, and a blue fuzzy pouch. Look at these fun markers. They are washable and don't stain. Before using the markers for the first time with the cap still on, gently shake the marker for a few seconds to mix the ink. Then press the marker tip on the board until the ink begins to flow. If not flowing yet, repeat. You can play the Osmo Creative apps without the Creative Set, but we don't recommend it. Let me show you how it works. The Osmo Monster app was specifically designed to use with the Creative Set. I love to draw with Mo. Newton is also a much better experience with the Creative Set. When you create a line, you can see right away how it impacts your game. There's an entire new game mode for Newton that can only be played with the Creative Set. Using the Creative Set with Masterpiece is great practice. There's new fun stuff. I'm going to draw this tree. Now you're ready to play.